Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file FBAR only ways. Start by collecting all foreign account statements and calculate each account's maximum dollar balance for the calendar year. Next, create login credentials for the BSA e-filing system and prepare FIN-CEN Form 114 with account numbers, bank names, and maximum balances. Finally, review for accuracy, submit electronically, and save confirmation for your records in case of future questions or audits. When deciding what to report, include any foreign account you own or control, even jointly held accounts. Retirement and custodial accounts can be tricky, so treat them as reportable if you have signature authority or direct access. Add each account's maximum dollar value to determine whether you cross the $10,000 threshold, and keep clear records explaining ownership and control for each account in case you need to justify your filing choices. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear filing tips and walkthroughs. On another note, quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use for lunches and receipts. They really save time and mess. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if you want. Now let's get back to the video. To file correctly, first compute the highest dollar amount for each account and sum them to check the reporting threshold. Use an accepted exchange rate to convert foreign balances so the numbers match FIN-CEN expectations. Complete FIN-CEN Form 114 in the BSA e-filing system, review every entry carefully, submit electronically, and download the confirmation notice to your records. If you discover an error later, prepare an amendment promptly to maintain clean compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.